What if you could turn almost any image into a fully detailed 3D model incredibly quickly without needing to learn complex 3D software? Yeah, that's not the future anymore. That's Meshy. And once you see this, it's kind of hard to ignore.
Welcome to the channel where AI stops being confusing and starts being fun. You'll find exciting tools, clever automations, and time-saving hacks that turn ideas into reality quicker than ever.
So let's say you're scrolling online and you find a cool image, maybe a character, a product, or even something you drew yourself. Normally, turning that into 3D can be a long and technical process. But with Meshy, you just upload the image, wait a short while, and suddenly you've got a full 3D model you can rotate, edit, and actually use. And the interesting part, it doesn't just create a rough shape, it actually captures a lot of the details, textures, materials, proportions. It all comes together automatically. It's like having a powerful creative tool right in your browser, making the process much faster and easier. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Let's say you don't even have an image. You can type something like a futuristic robot with glowing blue armor, cinematic lighting, and Meshy will generate a full 3D model from that. No modeling, no sculpting, no complicated setup, just text to 3D. And this is where things shift, because what used to be a complex process is now much more accessible. But generating models is one thing. What about actually using them? This is where Meshy becomes really practical. Let's say you're building a game, a video, or creating content. Instead of searching for assets or building everything from scratch, you can generate exactly what you need. Need a stylized character? Done. Need props? Done. Need environment assets? Also done. And you can export your models in formats like OBJ, FBX, and GLB. So they work with most 3D software and game engines. You can also tweak things like level of detail, mesh type, and optimization depending on your project. So it's not just fast, it's actually usable in real workflows. And this is something a lot of people overlook. Meshy doesn't just create models, it also helps with textures. So instead of manually building materials or searching online, you can just describe what you want, like rusty metal with scratches and worn edges or clean plastic with soft reflections, and it generates detailed textures for you. Not just colors, but surface details like wear, roughness, and lighting response. So your models don't just exist, they actually look polished. Now let's take it one step further. Animation. Animating 3D models can usually be a separate technical process, but Meshy simplifies this quite a bit. You can apply pre-made animations like walking or movement in just a few clicks. And on top of that, you can also set custom poses using anchor points, which gives you more control over how your model looks. So instead of just creating static assets, you can actually bring them to life. Here's a simple example. Imagine you want to recreate a game scene or build your own environment. Instead of building everything manually, you generate each piece, characters, props, objects, all created surprisingly fast. Then you combine them, pose them, animate them, and suddenly you've got something that would normally take much longer to build. One thing I noticed while testing this, the better your prompt, the better your result. So instead of saying robot, try something like stylized cartoon robot, soft lighting, smooth plastic material, vibrant colors. That extra detail makes a big difference. It's kind of like learning how to communicate with the AI, and once you get it, everything improves. At this point, it's pretty clear what's happening. 3D creation is becoming more accessible, and tools like Meshy are a big part of that shift. It gives you the ability to create, edit, and animate 3D models without the usual complexity. And right now you can try Meshy Pro for just $1 a month, link in the description. If you test it out, let me know what you end up creating.